garlic, bottle gourd, carrot, yogurt casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the raita recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd raita recipes or one of the most delicious of the Lauki Ka Raita recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most different of the carrot yogurt recipes. We're going to make garlic, bottle gourd, carrot yogurt casserole. We have taken around 150 grams of bottle gourd, peeled and cut into pieces, and 100 grams of carrot, cut into pieces. 10 to 15 ml of olive oil. Put in a few mustard seeds and let it fry. Once the mustard seeds start popping, put in the shallots. Salt. Garlic. Put in the ginger. Salt, ginger. The shallot. Put in the garlic. Rub the ginger and the garlic together. Then the curry leaves. Salt. Now saute that up. Put in the carrot pieces. Salt. To taste. Salt. Now put in the bottle gourd pieces. Salt. start sauteing. Keep on sauteing. Keep on sauteing for 6 to 8 minutes. Close and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. Now open. Pour in the yogurt. Mix and let this mixture cook for a minute. Put in the curry leaves as toppings and mix. Now the garlic bottle gourd carrot yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. And garlic bottle gourd carrot yogurt casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.